Hi guys, welcome back to Petrolhead TV and welcome back to a new video. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. Also Happy New Year to every single one of you. Thank you to the 162 people who supported me last year. It honestly means the world to me. 2020 is going to be an absolutely amazing year. We've got so many events, so many car shows to attend this year. So it's going to be really fun and I hope all of you can join me along the way. Also, we've got lots of car features coming. They'll be starting very soon after this video, so I hope you enjoy them. So tomorrow is the German versus Japanese car event. They've got a new venue this year at a racetrack, so the plan is today I'm just going to wait for Harry and we're going to clean up the cars. Then the next clip you see after this will be Sunday. It'll be at my Convoy. Hopefully there'll be a few of us. There should be a Nissan GTR there, a few EP3s, a DC5, maybe some others. So yeah, hopefully we get a good amount of us to convoy together. But before we do anything, let me just quickly show this. Look what my brother got me for Christmas. How cool is this? A NOS bottle cushion. So shout out to my brother for getting me that. It's so cool. It's going to be my little mascot now in the car. Anyway, thank you bro for that. So anyway, the next clip you're going to see is when we're at the convoy. For me it's going to take a day, but luckily for you the YouTube magic is only going to be a few seconds. So I'll join you at the convoy in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so just like that we're at the convoy now. Let's just have a quick look at the cars that have come here. We've got a few of the cars here. Let's go and have a look. So we've got this BMW estate. We've got Scott's Type R, my Type R, this lovely Nissan GTR R35, and we are going to be doing a review on this, so look out for that. This limited edition MX-5 and Harry's Type R. Okay, so we've just arrived at the German versus Jap meet. There's loads of people here now. I'm just going to wait for everyone to come in and then I'll get the drone up. I'm going to do loads of cinematic shots. I really hope you enjoyed this video and yeah, enjoy. You right?
Look off for that one.
I'm not rushing you. I just don't want to go like that. Cut into. Yeah. Is that like cut?
That's a real, he's cut that out. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video there. I tried to get as much footage as I could. Unfortunately I couldn't really get everyone because it was so busy. At an estimate, I reckon there's probably about 1,500 cars, maybe even 2,000 cars. There's people still coming in even as I was leaving. So yeah, sorry I didn't manage to get around to everybody, it was just absolutely impossible. Hopefully I've made a decent video for you all to watch. I've got some cinematics and some drone footage. I also want to say a big shout out to German versus Japanese, the organisers. It was a really good event. I mean, it's only going to get better. I can't believe how busy it was. It's just incredible really. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe and share, and please click the bell icon to be notified when I next upload a video. Cheers guys.